One sound effect quietly reshaped movie history. In 1951, a short scream was recorded for the film Distant Drums, capturing a soldier's final cry as he was pulled underwater. Years later, that same scream resurfaced in The Charge at Feather River and then began appearing again and again across Hollywood. Known today as the Wilhelm Scream, it became an inside joke among sound designers, passed from film to film as a signature of craft and tradition. What began as a single recorded moment turned into a shared language of cinema, reminding audiences that sound is not just background, but memory, connection, and storytelling, echoing through decades of movies.